Hey guys, this is Balu from Balu Prime and once again welcome you all back for an exciting tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how we can track footage and add 3D text in Adobe After Effects using Element 3D plugin. So hope you will find the tutorial useful, but before going to that, if you end up liking this video, please click on that like button, do share this content, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing my channel and support me. So further without any ado, let's start today's video. So here you can see I'm using After Effects 2020. Nice. So now let's start this by importing our footage onto this project panel. For that, right click on this project panel, import selective footage, or else you can directly drop your footage onto this project panel. Now again select your footage and drop it onto this composition icon so that it creates a new composition. So let me disable the sound. So now let's check the preview of this, press 0 for RAM preview. So this is a footage which I have downloaded from pexels.com. Download link in the description if you want to use the same footage. So here you can see we got this nice drone shot. Okay, so in order to place 3D text we need to track the footage first. So select this footage, come to this window and enable this tracker options. We'll get the tracker options here. So now being selected is footage layer, click on this track camera. So it starts analyzing our footage. So in advanced, enable this detail analysis also. Just click on that to enable it. So it starts analyzing our footage and gives us some tracking points when it is done. So here you can see our tracking is done and we got some track points here. So let me increase this point size so that it is visible clear. Okay. So if I play this, you can see we got these track points on the footage. So now let's select these track points here. So I will select all these track points, this bunch of track points like this. Now right click, create solid end camera. So we will get a solid created here. So let me align it properly. So press R on the keyboard for rotation. So let me place it here. I think this perspective is nice. And okay. So let it be like this. So if you play this, you can see our track solid will be staying in its position. So our tracking is looking good. So nice. So now let's create a new solid layer for Element 3D. So go to this layer options, new, create a solid. Let me rename this to element, make it comp size. Just click on this, make it comp size and hit OK. So now come to this window options and enable effects and presets, and in effects and presets look for element. So this is third party plugin. So select this element and drop it onto this element layer. Okay. So now let's create our text. So go to this text icon, just click on this text icon here and let's input our text. So here I will be adding this hello world text. Okay. So we can hide out this text. Don't delete this, just hide it out. Now select this element layer, expand this custom layer options, expand this custom text and mask, and in path layer 1 select the text. Just select the text and click on this scene setup. So we'll get a new window open to work in Element 3D. So as soon as we click on this extrude button, we'll get our text here. So let me change this perspective. Let me place it above here. Okay, nice. So we got our text here. So let's add a base. So come to this create and select this plane. Now let me increase the scaling. So select this plane and increase this to 25 and 25. Okay, so that it acts as a base for our text. So now let's add some materials. So come to this preset options. So for this text I will add this physical from Bevels. This we will get while we install Element 3D. So I think I will select this and drop it onto this text so that the text gets that materials on it. So choose whichever you like. Now let me select this one. Okay, so I think this is looking fine. Nice. So now select this plane model, come to this physical material and apply this matte shadow. Okay, so we'll get some shadows. So here you can see all these were in group 1. So now hit OK. So we got our text here, but it is not at the position of this track solid. So now let's fix that. So select this element layer once again, Since this material is in group 1, expand this group 1, come to this group utilities, expand this create group null and click on this create button. So we'll get a group null created here. So now select this track solid, press P on the keyboard, select those position values, come to this edit and copy them, just copy them. Now go to this group 1 null, select it, now press P on the keyboard, select those position values, go to edit and paste. So here you can see the text is in that track solid position. So now come to this element once again. So now come to this particle look, let's increase the scaling of that. So particle size is 10, so I will increase this to 40. Let me increase this to 50. So I will adjust the text as per the perspective of this video. So I think okay, Y, let me rotate in X, fine. Else let me increase the particle scale. I think let me increase this to 65, or else let me increase this to 60. So now let's hide out this track solid layer. Okay, we got our text in its position. Okay, so now finally select this element layer once again, scroll down to this render settings and enable this ambient occlusion. Nice. Let me increase the intensity to 10 so that we'll get these shadows, nice shadows. So let me change this sample to 64 for much quality. Okay, I think yeah, this much is fine. So if I play this now once again, you can see we got our text in 3D in this live footage. So in this way we can add 3D text in any footage using Element 3D plugin in Adobe After Effects. So hope you guys have learned something new from this tutorial. If you have learned anything new, please like, share and subscribe my channel to support me. So we'll meet in the next video. Until then, signing off. Take care. Bye.